This is how mounting is done. Open the Power ISO, mount, set disk number, let me make it 5. Then I choose J and I mount the image of the Ubuntu, the OS which we are going to install on the operating system, and then it's done. So go and open your VirtualBox, then start the virtual machine. You'll be greeted by the Run Fast wizard, the virtual machine Run Fast wizard, which will guide you through the steps of installing the operating system. So from here you choose the drive from which you want to install your operating system. Let's choose J, and then you click next and you follow the wizard. Here the VirtualBox will start, and as you can see, the OS is starting to install. Let's wait. There, Ubuntu is coming alive. Let's wait for it as it loads. So you see, you have two options from here. You have try Ubuntu and install Ubuntu. Choose the language and then click on install Ubuntu. Click continue. Preparing to install. Can click continue. Here you choose the region you are in. We are in Africa, in Uganda, and we are in Kampala. Sorry, let's go back. Enter Kampala, that's the region we are in, and click continue. It's loading. Choose the English and continue the installation. All these are installation processes. From here you fill in all the details you see on the screen. So as you see, your name, Consolata, your computer's name, Consolata, pick a username, Consolata, the password is cons12 ps, and then here I'm confirming it. Go ahead and click continue. It's loading, will take a while. So you can see the softwares are being installed, the programs and everything will be installed, and when this ends, then the installation is finally over. All the softwares are being installed, the drivers, everything is getting installed at this moment, including the hardware. As you can see down here, files are being copied, the web, YouTube, everything is being copied, everything, all the files, installing system. Yeah, there are system files being installed. Scanning the mirror, configuring the system files. Down here, retrieving file. Office is being installed, LibreOffice. In Linux, in Windows is MS Office. Access for everyone. Access for everyone. Configuring the hardware. Asking you any questions? No questions. You can see what's happening down there. Completely removing whatever it is. I don't know. I'm not sure what it's removing. Could be something that it's not necessary. So the installation is complete. We need to restart our computer now. So you click restart now. So we are restarting our computer to be able to use. It's restarting, shutting down and restarting the computer. There it's going through the process, deactivating swap. This is gonna take a really long time and I hate it. Yeah, so a virtual machine there. Restarting. There we have our machine. So the machine name, so let's try to use it. Enter the password was cons 12 ps and see. Oh, invalid password. Let's do it again. Cons 12 ps. Guest session. There, got it. So it's loading. Wow, and there you can see everything is clean. You can actually start using your machine. Is ready. Files, search your computer, you can do anything. Terminal, yeah, anything. This is if you wish to use commands. I'm not really interested in commands right now. LibreOffice, Microsoft Word in Windows, MS Office. So there is your machine. And there is something small I forgot about the file systems. Linux uses many file systems such as NAT, FAT, NTFS file systems, but I chose to use the NFTS file system because it's quicker. I chose it because it's simply quick to install, otherwise I would be spending a lot of time installing this. So that was it. Thank you.